Welcome to RedTeam Go. I'm George, and we're going to create a new project and look at the bidding worksheet. Starting from the global dashboard, we'll go to the left corner and click Add Project. A form appears to add project information and create the bidding worksheet. These three items are the only requirements to get started. I'm adding a date for the project name. The most important item is the division set. This cannot be changed after we add the project. I'll choose 16. And this will be a build out and renovation. Hovering over the circle I gives you a pop-up with more info about the item. We'll discuss adding and changing the project information in another video. Click Add Project at the bottom. After the animation, we'll see the base bid worksheet. First, make sure that this is the correct division set. Yes, 16 division. From the top, we can collapse the division and open them individually. We can search for specific cost codes, and we can add or remove cost codes. The items on the right will show up in the worksheet. To remove an item, click on the cost code on the right. To add an item, click on the cost code from the left. Click Done to go back to the worksheet. To set markups, click here. Labor burden is added to the .L cost codes. Sales tax is defaulted to only material and equipment cost types, but you can check additional cost types. General liability, overhead, and profit are added to all cost types. Change the percentage by clicking the number. The change is made immediately and will recalculate. Adding the square footage will calculate the square foot cost for reports. The last box is for cost after markup. This will add a percentage of the project total after all other markups have been added. Click the blue question mark for more information about markups. Markups can also be added to individual items by clicking on the blue dollar amount. Click on the percentage to change the numbers. On the left side of the cost code are four icons. The first is the double arrow, which lets you create nested bid items. Click the arrows and then add. Give the bid item a name, unit, and quantity. You can save this item for future use by checking the box beside default. And you can move the order with the crosshairs or delete the item from this project by clicking the trash can. Default items will still show up in new projects. By checking the box beside cost code, subs and vendors will be asked to break down the cost by item in bidding. Next is the trade notes. This information will go out in the bid invitation, show up on the scope of work, the contract, and in the subcontract. Click to add a note. If you have saved notes, they will appear when you hover over the Unapplied Notes hyperlink. Click a new note by clicking in the corner. You have the option to save this note and give it a title for future use. Enter the note and click Save. The gavel icon will be used once bids are received. The trash can deletes the item. Clicking on the cost code will let you change the cost type, for example, from a .L to a .M. The unit dropdown has several options. A complete list is available in the glossary of terms in the Learning Center. On the right side of the line is the bid day notes. These are internal only and can be printed in a report. Clicking on the dollar amount on the division line gives a breakdown of the total amount by cost type. Finally, at the bottom left, the blue arrow will hide the subtotal, overhead, and profit values. For more information on the bidding worksheet, you can use the tour feature. And for this and any RedTeam Go questions, go to the Learning Center from the Profile tab in the right corner. Thank you.